evangelism. Especially you that is listening to me. Afadhali aki haungesikia hii nikiongea, kwa sababu sasa hii itakuwa shida kwako. The reason why you must do evangelism is because maybe, I said maybe the person that you should marry is still not born again. Yo, sasa mimi nimetupa mawe polisi. Maybe the person you are praying, Father, I pray she will be a good woman. She will go like this. Lord, I pray my wife will be good. The Proverbs 31 woman is drinking Kamunyweso right now. Is drinking Mateli somewhere in Kilimani. So go and preach. Nirudie. Maybe my sister, you are praying, Father, I pray that he will be a man of God. I pray that my husband will be born again. He's a man of God. Right now, kuna mtu ananyorosha na hapa Karioko. You need to go and preach to them in the name of